Today I will introduce you the IC package simulation in Moldex3D. So the outline today, first we will talk of some IC package analysis type. So they will be categorized by the driven force, transfer molding, underfill, compression molding. And additionally, there are some application like venting, wire sweep, pedal shift. And at the end, I will introduce what's new in some new function in Moldex3D 2021. So first, the transfer molding analysis. And basically, the IC package is a melting process. So you have this floating epoxy and to do the package or encapsulation for the wire for die, and you focus on the filling curing phenomena. Okay, so for the transfer molding is the most simple method. You do the simulation. You have a mill entrance, then you can simulate this filling behavior where is some air trap or the hesitation from the upper of the lead frame or lower lead frame. And this is a case study for the transfer molding. So you can see in reality, they are focusing on some air trap and where's the end of the fill position. And also you can see in the simulation, this is the below die and the above die. The mill front has a difference because they flow into the different space. Another case study, you can see there are some void in the reality, and also from the simulation you can observe the same phenomena. So another type is the molded underfill for flip chip package. So in this kind of simulation, because the major driven force is still pressure flowing the encapsulant.